Hi kids, welcome back. Brown color, ice blue color, violet color, orange color, light green color, black color, blue color, pink color, yellow color, green color, purple color, orange color. Kids, हम ट्रेस करेंगे A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, A to O. Let's trace A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for eagle, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for juice, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange. You read again. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for eagle, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for igloo, J for juice, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for octopus.